使馆有用的短语。
I would like to schedule an appointment. I need to make an appointment for a visa. When is the earliest available appointment? I am here for my visa interview. I have all the required documents. Could you please explain this form? I have a question about the application process. I need to renew my passport. My passport has been lost, stolen. When can I expect to receive my new passport? I have a problem with my visa. I need to cancel my appointment. I don't understand. Could you please speak more slowly? What are the opening hours of the embassy? Can I make an appointment to see the consul? I need assistance with an emergency situation. Can you provide information about voting abroad? I need to register my new address.